Alright guys, ignore the backdrop. I just have a set I'm working on here, the Lego Ecto 1. But here we have a Bucs Zippo. If I can open it. There you go. NFL branded. Kind of the old style box, but never lit, as you can see. This nice, it's kind of a matte black with some background of some X's and O's, like a play. I don't even know what it's called, like a playbook. But we'll get this Zippo all outfitted. There you go, there. Open this for the first time. This could be a 2024. Oh, so this is a new one. Beautiful Zippo. There it is. Taking out the flint, as this is going to be for display and for the collection, never to be fired or carried. Thumb, tighten it back. Placing it back in. Beautiful sound. And now let's just put it in a little protective shell. There we go. And there it is, all done. Completed. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.